Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. When designing a report, the first impression matters. A well-structured cover page gives your report a professional look, clearly communicates the purpose, and sets the tone for the analysis that follows. In this video, I will show you how to create a cover page for a report in the Bold Reports designer. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version for this demo. First, I create a new report in the report server, naming it Cover Page Report. Next, I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in the SQL server, and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. Next, I use none as the authentication type since the connection string already has the credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset and switch to code mode because I have an SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to create the dataset. Next, I'll add a header. I enable the header area, add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text, and resize it. I change the background color and add a text box inside the rectangle, writing sales order details. I format the text by changing the font type, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If you see extra space around the text, you can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Next, I will show you how to create a cover page for this. Here we'll use a rectangle to lay out the cover and a page break to start the main report on the next page. I drag and drop a rectangle in the design surface. I resize it. Inside the rectangle report item, I add text boxes for the product, report title, database, and report name. I format the first text box by changing the font, size, text alignment, color, and background color. I do the same for the other text boxes. Then I format the rectangle. Next, I need to add a page break and reset the page numbers. I select the rectangle report item. Then I select the Properties panel. In the page break, I set the break location to end so that the subsequent content begins on a new page. I enable the page number reset for the rectangle. This makes the cover page remain unnumbered and separate. Next, I need to create a table to display the sales details. I add a table and the necessary columns. Then I give it headers. And format them. I assign corresponding values to the data row. and format them. Since the currency values need to be displayed in currency format, I select the unit price and total price, and change the format to currency with decimal points. Once the values are assigned to the table, I need to apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value rows. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview in the top panel. Here, you'll see the cover page appearing first, followed by the main report starting on a new page. In this video, I have shown you how to create a cover page for a report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.